Thank you for joining us today's webinar. My name is Kali. I'm the senior coach of iVSAChart. Now, I have been using iVSAchart since it started, and I've been having a good and successful proven results. I'm also a full-time trader using this YCOS system, which is a VSA system for more than 10 years, and currently specializing in trading futures and equities using this method. Now, Martin is our founder of iVSAchart. I'm very sure many of you have heard of him by now. He has written a lot of books and has run a lot of workshops as well. Now today, very quickly, since it's a 20 minutes webinar, I'm going to present to you how iVSA works. Now, just a little questions before I get started. How many of you here are new to iVSA or new to trading? Can I have you all to answer at the, can you see? Can you answer at the box here? How many of you are new? Julius? I can only see Julius, is that right? Let's see. Can you hear me? Emmanuel. Emmanuel is new. All right. As you can see, this is how our iVSA chart looks like, the indicators. The green sign here means sign of strength, or Julius has been trading. That's good. Now, and the red sign here is a sign of weakness. Now, iVSA chart has a clear indicators that have given us the directions of the chart as well. Now, I want us to start by looking at the KLCI overview. Now, if you look at KLCI has been congested for weeks here, right? Now, there is a support level here as well, but market is doing tests. As you can see, iVSA has clear indicators of tests. Now, T here means test, test, and test. Now, test here is to see whether supplies is coming in strongly, and they're still testing in the market, and we have yet to see a strong, good support coming in to support the market. Now, we will want to continue to observe this market, because if the markets continue to test with low supply, it is looking good, right? But we wanted it to have a good volume to move the market, to have the market move forward as well. Now, let's continue to observe. But while market is congesting, now how does iVSA stock screeners appear in our iVSA chart? We have seen in the past few months that we have many 18LC, we call it 18 line change stock pick from our screener, which shows a very good result. Now, one of them is CSC Steel. Now, CSC Steel, as you can see here, on the 15th of August, this is our members-only iVSA chat room. It is exclusively for members, and we do a lot of discussions and questions and post a lot of our stocks recap and our trade ideas in there as well. Now, CSC Steel appeared in our 18LC chart at $1.40. I will show you later in a bigger screen. Now, when we talk about these stocks on 15th of August, right, and picking this stock from 18LC screener from iVSA chart, some of our members went in, and we always encourage them to run the profit. Now, when we run the profit, we are talking about running the profit as having the stop loss in mind as well. Now, look at CSC Steel. This is where, just now I show you, this is where it appeared, right, 15th of August, and the next day, some of our members enter, and it's the good entry price as well, from the accumulation. We call this the accumulation, where you, as you can see, market has been doing tests for many months, right? For many months, and volumes start to come in as well. Now support is starting to come in, and in our 18LC screener, it shows that it is a stocks to pick because of its higher probability to move. And true enough, after look at this, after 2 months, less than 3 months, this stock has been up for more than 50%. Oops. Has been up for more than 50%. Now it's interesting, isn't it? And as the member continue to run the profit, as the trader continue to run the profit, as you can see, more LC is coming out on a good uptrend as well. Now this is a nice uptrending stocks. Next, what happened to the October month? Now I have shown you in the month of October, we have KLCI congesting here, right? It's moving sideways, we call it. It's ranging moving sideways. Now in the month of October, we have a stocks called TT Jaya. Again, TT Jaya is doing a very nice accumulation, and 18LC test screener, 18LC screener has picked up this stock as well from here, from this month and this date, 5th of October. Now from here, just less than a month, this stock has been moved up more than 10%. And it continues to move if you let the profit runs in a very nice uptrend. Now I have been talking about 18 line change. I have been talking about the screener as well. Now what exactly am I showing you here? Now I want to show you how the iVSAchart works, which is the screener that I'm talking about. As you can see here, now iVSAchart, you can log in anywhere you want. It is like trading in your palm. You can view it on your phone. It is easy to just open it from a browser, and then you can trade everywhere you go and view it everywhere you want. Now once you are in the website, we have screener for you to choose, right? So now this is the website, www.ivsachart.com. So as I enter, as you can see, if I enter this website, it will bring you to here, and there's a screening here. Now this is the 18 line change that I'm talking about. This is a screener for most of our beginner of our trader. Now if you are experienced, or for our more experienced trader, they will look at other screener like TESS or Tava Pro. So, but now I'm focusing on 18 line change as I'm talking about this stock review. Now this is the 18 line change. Imagine there are thousands of stocks out there in KLSC, right? There are about 3,000. So if you can imagine how 18LC narrowed it down for you with a stock with higher possibility to move. Now, I have shown you the stocks for TT Jaya. Now, TT Jaya appeared on the 4th of August, pick up on the 5th, but what I can't show you here, but I'm going to click on this one of the chart and go to TT Jaya and show you the stock, because it has already been more than 2 weeks. So I'm going to show you on here. If you can see, TT Jaya has, as I've shown, continued to move, and we picked TT Jaya from 18LC, 18 line change screener, right? Now let's go back to, this is how iVSAchart look like. This is where the line change is, and you can see there are dates here, which is about 2 weeks they can choose from. And we do want to encourage user to run the profit. It's not a day trading. It is running your profit, your stocks, for as long as it shows you the sign of strength. Now I have, I've just reviewed 2 stocks from the iVSAchart. I have participant who submit a stock review which is on Seng. I'm not sure if the participant is here today. Are you here today? Can I take a, can you say yes if you are here today? Martin, there's no, okay, yeah, I've got to check here. Are you here today? Who's the one who, okay, no. Now, now he submitted the Seng as, now let's look at Seng. Now Seng has what I call the UT bar here, UT indicators, which is the upthrust. Now there is a resistance level here, okay, and at this price. If you look at this price, this is about $1, about 145 ringgit, right? It's about around there. Now, as it is trying to test this level, it actually has more supply coming in. But we want more confirmation. Now, this SO has given us, in the iVSAchart, more confirmation that this trend is coming in, the downtrend is coming in. If we ignore this trend and we ignore to have our managing our risk and stop loss, look at where it is now. It is at here, it's $1. Look at the losses that if the person actually entered these stocks. Or if they have entered earlier, if they bought at lower price, this is a good exit point for them and they still make good profit. Now, as it is coming down, it breaks down the support level. This is the support level, and this is where the downtrend has emerged and continues. Now, those the person who has submitted these stocks, I would say that this stock is on the downtrend and the supply has continued to be seen. And look at the volume here as well. Well, okay, I have done with my stock reviews. I'm going to open this to the person to the participant who have attended today for any stock review. Do you have any stock that you want us to review from our iVSAchart? MBSB. Okay, 3 MBSB. Okay, same thing, I will go to iVSAchart. Okay, yes, Julius and Chui, let's look at MBSB. Now, MBSB, what can you see here clearly? Can you see my pointer clearly here? Can you just type yes if you can see my pointer clearly? Okay, good. Now, MBSB has a good support level at around this price, right? Almost at 70 cents. As it touches this level, you can see that the supply has reduced, okay? And when the supply has reduced, we have support coming in. Now this volume shows that's a good support coming in. And then they test again, because you can see test continues from iVSAchart, and the test continues as well. Now as this test continues and dries up, I would say that this stocks is quite good. If we will continue to see SOS coming in, we call it LC, line change, or good SOS support coming in with volume. Well, it has a good background actually, I must say, this stock. All right. Now, how do we actually determine how to enter this stock? Now, if you have iVSAchart with you, you don't have to sit down and wait for the stock to trigger or enter. If you have iVSAchart with you, if it is a line change, the 18 LC screener will actually pick up this stock and narrow it down for you and show it in the iVSAchart 18 line change screener that I've shown you just now. As you can see, now it has a good background for MBSB, I must say, and test is good. The supply is actually reducing. Now, when good support is coming in, now remember for us, we are actually picking up. We are picking the stocks when good good supply is coming in, then you can actually see it through the you can actually see it through the 18-line change screener here, right? If MBSB is ready to go, this is the 18-line change I'm talking about. Okay, next one. Next one is what stock is the next one? Let me see. Where is the next stock? I lost the questions panel, Martin. MRCB. Okay, MRCB. Okay, let's look at MRCB. MRCB. Okay, this is the last stock that I'm going to review for today. 651. Okay, MRCB, let's see. Okay, I must say MRCB has 18-line change before, all right, in our 18-line change in August. Now, MRCB, well, it's continuing its uptrend. Well, if you've got the 18-line change, you will have entered this early already. And a line change here, good support volume coming here as well. And we have some tests here, and the test continues. Well, this is it's a matter of price and the risk level that you are entering here. We are talking about there's a good support level here. Okay, we have a good support level here. All right. Now, this is good uptrending stocks. Now, I want to. This is the final one that we are looking at today. Now, before that, let's. I want to wrap up. Okay, hi. Let's look at the iVSAchart 18LC screener yesterday. I go to the screener. We have seen a few stocks here, and one of the stocks that I'm choosing from the 18th screener is Insas Berhad. As you can see, Insas Berhad has been doing a test for several days, several weeks actually, for several weeks. There's a test bar, and there's a level of support here as well. And 18LC bar has appeared here. So let's we're going to look at these stocks next week as you join in the webinar. You can directly call the sales team at this number or email them. Now it's very interesting, isn't it, how I've shown how the iVSAchart works. Do you find it interesting? Do you all find it interesting how it works? Can you type? Now, if you have further further questions, you can email me at klchong30@gmail.com. I'm actually based in Melbourne. Or if you can also go to www.ivsachart.com and go directly and view the software as well by signing up here. Thank you very much for joining me today. Well, I hope to see all of you next week again for more stock review. Now remember to submit your stock review, and I see you next time.
All right, thanks a lot, Carly. And that was our senior coach, Miss Carly, all the way from Melbourne with us. So that's the time that we have. So same time, same place next week, we'll be doing as part of our Be a Better Trader campaign 2016-2010. And please tell your friend, share our link in your Facebook with other friends so they can find out more about our free iVSA chart clinic that will help you to be better. All right, just a short one to get you going, and see you next week. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.